and Assalamualaikum. My name is AQILAH. Today's experiment is about the electrical conductivity in 3 different types of material. First of all, let me explain to you all about the electrical properties. Electrical properties are their ability to conduct electrical current. There are 5 electrical properties, which are resistivity, conductivity, temperature coefficient of resistance, permittivity, and thermoelectricity. The electrical properties in our experiment today is only about the conductivity of the material. Conductivity is property of material which allow flow of electrical current through materials. It is parameter which indicate that how easily electric current can flow through material. Conductivity of material is give and take of resistivity. The equipments and materials that used in this activity are
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today, I will conduct the experiment of conduction's electricity on different materials.
The objective of the experiment is to determine which material is conductor or insulator, and to differentiate a few classes of materials. This diagram shows how the experiment was set up. So, let's begin the experiment with the first material.
The wire from the materials go to the DC motor. As you can see here, spin. So, this can be concluded that the type of the material is a metal, because a metal conduct the electricity.
The second material.
And then this one, the battery holder is connect to the material. Okay. So we're gonna look if this material will be the conductor or insulator. Motor, it proved that this material is insulator.
Next, for the last material.
Pick up, connect to the DC motor. So, as you can see here, I already touched. Doesn't move at all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Bmmp AZLAN, and in this section I will be discussing about the results and conclusion of our experiment. So, based on the experiment that has been conducted by Ain, the results was a success. They weren't so different from the predictions that we made before conducting the experiment, which was that metal could conduct electricity, but polymer and ceramic couldn't. Let me explain why.
The atoms in metal are delocalized, which means that the electrons are free to move around. But when under an electric field, the electrons vigorously move throughout the structure, carrying an electric charge as they move. Whereas for polymer and ceramic, both of their electrons are being tightly held, which means that there are no free electrons to carry the electric charge throughout the structure. That is why these materials are preferred as being insulators.
As a conclusion, the overall experiment succeeded in showing us which material could conduct electricity and which couldn't. It is important for us engineers to understand the properties of a certain material because it affects the outcome of a certain product or design. This is all from us. Thank you.